trust me, I did everything to just get them. I went to the showroom, I applied for the referral, I tried to get them from the site, but nearly 15 days for 2021, and oh god, what a crazy year 2021. Crazy to extent that we all were in a way forced to stay at our place for more than 6 months. But 2020 also had few of the craziest sneaker launches which actually shook up the sneaker markets across the globe. So hi, I'm Soansh, and in this video we're gonna talk about top 5, or let's take it 10. So top 10 sneakers that were launched in 2020. We're gonna get in their retail price, their current market price, their month of launch, and in the end of the video I'm gonna show you one of my crazy pairs of which I got in 2020, which, trust me, is a crazy one. So let's go and get in the video. So to start with, the first ones have to be the Nike Dunk Lows. Lately they have been really hyped up. So the best Dunk Lows of 2020 were the Grateful Dead Bears Orange. Such a tangy color and a really, a good combination of colors. These were launched in the month of July. And the retail price for these sneakers was $110. That is nearly 9,000 rupees. But the market price, the current market price of the sneakers is $2,600. That comes out to be nearly 2,30,000 rupees. Trust me, it was a money-making shoe. It was a money-making shoe, and it just blew up the market. I think it was one of the best Dunk Lows of 2020. So the second one in the list have to be the Jordan 1 Retro High Dares. This was one of a kind collaboration between Jordans and the Dares, and just look at them. The old good retro design. By the way, they were also available in Lowe's, and they were launched in the month of April 2020. With the market retail price of nearly $2,000, which comes out to be nearly 1.6 lakh rupees. But it's kind of a high market price, but it's a Dare, so it's completely acceptable. But currently the current market price for these sneakers is $10,000. That comes out to be nearly 8 lakh rupees. 8 lakh rupees. This is how it is. Yeah. The third one in the list is again a collaboration between Jordan and the Off-Whites. So I'm basically talking about the Jordan 5 Retro Off-White sale. Just look at this. So these retro sneakers were launched in the month of October 2020. With the market retail price of $225, that comes out to be nearly 18,000 rupees. That's a fair price because it's a collaboration between the Jordans and the Off-Whites. But the current market price, I was expecting it to be way higher than this. But the current market price is $700. That comes out to be nearly 56,000 rupees. Not bad, not good, to be very honest. So as you know, we are talking about the top 10s. So how can we miss the Adidas Yeezys? So this is basically, I don't know, we call it sneaker or what, the company calls it sneaker. So these are basically Adidas Yeezy foam runners. To explain you what it is, I'll have to show you what they are. So you have to trust me on this that they are super duper comfortable and looks dope when you're wearing it. And they were launched in the month of June 2020. So when they were launched, the retail price was very cheap in context to when you're talking about Yeezys, it was just $75. That comes out to be what, 6,000 rupees in India. But the resale value is also not too high. That is around how much it is, $375. $375, and it comes out to be like 30,000 rupees. A good deal, but I think if you are a Yeezy lover, then you have to have them. So the fifth one is a shoe from New Balance. So I feel somewhere the brand NB, so-called New Balance, has a very different set of audience. So not everybody wants to buy a New Balance, but there is some specific set of people who they just love New Balance. So just look at the sneaker. So these beautiful pairs were basically launched in the month of February. They look bulky, but they are damn comfortable. This sneaker basically has a very weird name. It's Joe Fresh Goods. No emotions are emotions. Such a weird name. So this sneaker was basically launched in the month of February. So the current price of the sneaker is around $1,800, which comes out to be nearly 1.5 lakhs. Trust me, I'm not a big fan of New Balance, but this is how it is. Yeah. Now moving on, we have the Nike Dunks again on number 6. A collaboration between Nike and the Travis Scott. Trust me, these sneakers are very special for the people who love this collaboration. There have been always a big hype about the collaboration between the Nike and Travis Scott. There are a couple of more sneakers if I'm not wrong. So but these are really hyped up. I think you should just have a look at it. So after looking at the sneakers, you really get speechless. The design is so attractive, and you can see the laces are also not the regular ones. This sneaker was launched in month of February. at a retail price of $150. That comes out to be nearly 12,000 rupees. But the resale value is crazy. So the resale value comes out to be like around $1,700. That is approximately 1,30,000 rupees. A big number, I should say. Yeah, but I think it's a beautiful piece. Nobody can deny that. But you know, paying so much for the Dunks, I don't. So the seventh sneaker which I'm going to talk about is a very well-known sneaker. I think everybody is aware about it. So recently there were rivals in India for those. So the sneaker is Adidas Yeezy 350 V2s. Trust me, I did everything to just get them. I went to the showroom, I applied to the referral, I tried to get them from the site, but unfortunately I was not able to. Yeah, so just have a look at these sneakers. The basic black and red combination, a really attractive and a super duper comfortable sneaker launched in this December 2020. The retail price of the sneaker was 22,000 rupees in India, and the people were just going crazy to get their hands on this. And the current resale price is around 36,000 rupees, which is a decent number, I should say. So let's go and move to the next. So the eighth sneaker which I'm going to talk about was I think the most hyped sneaker of 2020. I don't know, I read somewhere that Nike actually postponed the launch of the sneaker because they had a fear that, you know, there are bots planted on the website. So if you don't know bots, then just Google it or you'll come to know what I'm talking about. So that was the craze for the sneaker. So I'm talking about the Ben & Jerry Chunky Dunkies, and if you don't know about them, then you're really missing out on something really crazy. Just have a look at it. So trust me, when I saw these sneakers in real and got them in my hand, I was speechless. They are too good. The price of this hyped up sneaker was around $100. That comes out to be nearly 8,000 rupees. And the current market price, I think, which I feel has gone down a bit, is currently $1,300, which comes out to be like 1.3 lakh rupees. I think these sneakers are actually worth it. I got a chance to have a look of get my hands on these sneakers, and so you can follow me on Instagram to see. They're amazing. That's all I can say. They're amazing. Let's ninth sneaker about which I'm going to talk about is a very simple yet elegant sneaker. It's again a Nike Jordan 11, a Jubilee 25th anniversary edition. It is recently launched in December itself, and it is something, I'll just show you what it is. A really dope sneaker with this white and black combination and a glossy feel to it, is damn comfy and was launched in the month of December. The market retail price is basically $220. That comes out to be nearly 18,000 rupees, and the resale price is around $350. That is around 30,000 rupees. A fair number and a fair, and I don't know, but a good piece, a good sneaker, if I should summarize it in simple words. And now moving on to the 10th one, which you're most excited about, and even I'm most excited about. The 10th sneaker which I was talking about and is right here with us. So before I open this box, I'm going to tell you the name of the sneaker. So this is basically Adidas Dam 6 series. So I'll open it and tell you more about this. So this is one of a kind sneaker that you rarely get a chance to see. So this was basically a collaboration between Adidas and McDonald's. I think most of the people are not even aware about this, that something like this exists. So I was fortunate enough to get my hands on these. So this is how it is. I'll just show you. I'll just give you a good look. Retail price for these sneakers is 11,000 rupees, and I think I should not go into the resale price because that won't do justice to these sneakers, because these are one of the kinds and I feel they're unvaluable and are really valuable ones. So these are really valuable ones for me, and I'm not going to sell them or something. So this is how it is. You can check the detailed video about these sneakers they'll be linked in the I button. So these were the top 10 sneakers according to me, launched in 2020. This is how it is. So thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I'm Suman signing off, and do like and subscribe.